Mar. Thank you so much sa tiwala mo to learn with me, and I really appreciate it. And I promise you that this course, if not the best, but will be the most game-changing lesson that you'll ever enroll with. Na hindi lang makakatulong sa business mo, but also sa personal life mo din. But wait up! You just made an amazing decision by joining the Winning the Week Mastermind and Achieve a Chill EO lifestyle. But before you dive in, I have something very special for you. Pero ngayon lang to something that could skyrocket your success faster. Well, real talk nakaka-excite yung training. Pero honestly, let's be real. Watching a training is one of the things. Pero yung i-apply mo to sa business mo ng actual, that's where most solopreneurs struggle. Paano ko to i-apply sa business ko? Anong tools and apps ang bagay sa niche ko? Saan ako magsisimula? I get it. Nakaka-overwhelm talaga. And ang hirap kayang mag-trial and error, diba? Pero what if may direct access ka sa akin to ask anything and get real solutions for your business? Kaya naman I'm giving you an exclusive VIP access to our live Q&A session. Pagkatapos kasi ng live training, those students who upgraded will have access to the breakout rooms and another call sessions with me and the rest of the students na nasa VIP access lang. Ito ay para matulungan kitang i-customize ang strategies, especially for you. Kapag nag-upgrade ka ngayon, I'll get you a live Q&A call. Ask me anything, sasagutin ko mismo yung struggles mo to the best of my ability as your guide. Exclusive strategy session, real-time solutions para sa business mo, para hindi ka nanguhula. Insider productivity secrets, mga hacks na hindi ko tinuturo kahit saan. So no more guesswork, no more trial and error, mas mabilis mong ma-achieve yung CEO life na gusto mo for only 1,000 peso. Pero wait, syempre, may mga super exclusive bonuses pa ako for the first 100 who will upgrade right now. Upgrade to VIP now and get free bonuses na kagaya nito. The bonus number 1 is Productivity Masterclass with over 14 video training that will help you manage your time and run your business like a CEO. Bonus number 2, gumawa ako ng done-for-you social media content board para na-organize mo yung business mo. At meron pa itong kasama na 30 days content ideas, which is plug-and-play na strategy to turn your followers into paying customers. And bonus number 3, meron akong social selling ebook guide and social selling mastermind na sobrang priceless. Kung saan tinuro ko yung over 8 years experience ko how I converted my organic followers into customers in the last couple of years where I became a top earner, top affiliate sa mga network and coaching business na ginagawa ko. And of course, yung pinaka-pinag-isipan ko talaga, paano kaya magagawa ng mga students ko na talagang makapag-breakthrough na sila? Kasi yun yung gusto ko para sa'yo. And when I was enrolling to different courses that I call infomercials, ang daming palabok. Isa sa mga hindi ko talaga nagustuhan ay yung frustration na hindi ako makapag-reach out sa content creator, sa course creator mismo. Kaya naman alam ko yung frustration na yun. Kaya inupuan ko to, sabi ko, paano ko pa kaya magagawang mapaglingkuran yung mga students ko? So I created a special Telegram group chat for VIP students only. Para kapag na-stuck ka sa mga tech, makakapagtanong ka sa akin ng direkta. This VIP access is only available for now at a super special rate. Again, for the first 100 lang, kasi hindi kaya ng powers ko na sumagot sa sobrang daming tao. Especially, I would like to leverage my time and my energy as well. Pero, once you leave this page, wala na to hindi mo na ito pwedeng balikan pa. No second chances. And you have to pay for one-on-one coaching rate. Kaya naman, this is your only shot to get the VIP access and deep dive mastermind for this price only. Imagine, 1,000 pesos lang, you'll have your breakthrough na. Plus, exclusive bonuses at this crazy one-time offer only. Hindi mo na ito makikita anywhere else. And if you're serious about working less, earning more, and finally becoming a chill CEO, walang katumbas yung presyo na yan sa time and energy na i-waste mo if you're doing it all by yourself. I want you to be successful habang kapiling mo pa yung mga taong dahilan kung bakit gusto mo magtagumpay. That's how serious I am to help you. But again, 100 lang yung kaya ng capacity ng software ko to entertain sa breakout rooms kung saan makakapag-usap kayo divided as a group to share what you learned and on automating your system. But at the same time, yun lang din yung kaya ng energy at powers ko to coach you having a VIP access. Kaya naman, grab this upgrade for only 1,000 peso, and I'm so willing to see you and help you inside the training. Live here, chilling at Zambia, Africa. This is Princess Wailin, and I can't wait to see you inside. Bye for now.